I'm Alex Turnbull, and I'm a pediatric dietitian who loves cheeseburgers and roasted broccoli and the occasional Diet Coke. And I'm a mom of 2. And welcome to the Good Eaters Club. Wait, something's not right. Whoo, that's better. Welcome to the Good Eaters Club, where I'm on a mission to redefine what it truly means to be a good eater. And it has nothing to do with cleaning your plate. If you're tired of mealtime battles, endless snack requests, and wondering if your kid will ever eat a vegetable without a negotiation, you're in the right place. Also, if you're exhausted from the never-ending list of foods that you shouldn't feed your kids, or feeling guilty for the ones that you do, you're really in the right place. Here at the Good Eaters Club, we believe in helping kids learn to trust their bodies, explore food with confidence, and make healthy choices without the fear, shame, or pressure to clean their plate. Now, while I'm an expert in child nutrition, I'm not an expert on your child. That'd be you. What works for one family or one child might not work for another, and that's okay. My goal is to share realistic, research-backed strategies and help you find what feels right for your family and your kids, without the overwhelm and definitely without the fear-mongering. And just so we're clear, you will not hear me talking about what foods to avoid unless it's for medical reasons or a choking hazard. Maybe a food recall here and there too. Around here we focus on nutrition by addition instead of subtraction. What foods you can add to your kids' plate to help support their growth, curiosity, and confidence with food. I'm not about fear-mongering or making you feel like every ingredient is toxic and out to get you. By the way, the ability to pronounce a food has nothing to do with how healthy it is. I'm here to help you make the most of the foods that your family has access to, can afford, and most importantly, enjoys. Because you can have the healthiest food ever, and if it tastes like, then what's the point? And together we'll figure out how to add more value. Whether that's serving up a side of fruit with your favorite chips, adding some protein to snack time, or offering a dip with veggies because that's how they actually get eaten. And yes, sweets and your favorite snacks definitely have a place here too. It's about balance, but prioritizing fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and yes, leaving room for the fun stuff too. Because food should be fun, not feared. And it needs to taste good too. And I know it's not official, but joy is a nutrient too. Or at least I'm saying it is. So here at the Good Eaters Club, you're going to find simple tips to help picky eaters expand their palate and learn to try new foods. Fun and creative meal and snack ideas that actually work in real life. Honest conversations about nutrition trends and misinformation. Because there's a lot of it out there. And I'll be adding the nuance and what really matters when it comes to the foods that your family and your child are eating. Make sure that you subscribe so you never miss an episode, because we're going to be covering a lot of things.